Hi everyone, again a new sad day for my M3. The car has been vandalized last week. I will show you the damage. Basically someone scratched the car, I believe with a key, starting from the front bumper. And going all the way back to the rear door. The person was nice because he or she didn't scratch the rear side, and of course only the left side of the car has been scratched. Regarding how deep it is, it's really deep. If you go back, you cannot see it on the camera that good, but it's really badly scratched. You have seen the damage. I would like to explain you how it happened, because it was for the first time last week on Sunday that I've parked the M3 on a non-secured premise, so non-secured location. Most of the time the car is parked in a secured area. This time it was parked on the street, perfectly legal, without any cause that somebody would scratch the car. So I didn't block an entrance, I didn't park in such a way that traffic was not possible. The car was parked on a small street with a few cars, with very many spots available to park in front of the house of a colleague of mine that I visited. I was there for about 3 hours. I'm sure that the car was not scratched before because we had a storm, and I checked before driving that the car is perfectly safe. I've parked, and when I went back to the car, I said to my friend, whoa, the car is dirty again so quick. And when going near, it was already night at 6-7 o'clock approximately. I've seen that it's scratched. I don't know what to say, guys. If you have an issue with me, I would expect that the person who did this would come to me to discuss it or whatever, to try to punch me in the face. I cannot see why anyone would destroy my car, but I believe it's also very, very, very difficult to understand this kind of person who will destroy another person's car in order to what? To get revenge for something, just because I have a nice car, because he hates the color, because he hates BMW. I don't know. Let's see what you have to do in such a case. I hope you don't get in this kind of situation, but if you get in this kind of situation, it's important to go to the police. First of all, because you need a police confirmation that it happened and that is vandalism in order to activate your casco. Second, it's important to address such issues. Maybe the police will find the person who did it. The chances are small, but maybe it will happen and other cars will be saved. As you've seen in the video, the scratch is really deep. I will try next week, just as a test, to use a very well-known scratch remover and to see what exactly is doable in such a case, in such a case where the scratch is really deep. I've already got a proposal for repainting the car, because basically I have to repaint almost all of the left side of the car. The cost, of course, is very high, or I don't know, it's pretty high, 3,500 euros. I will do it again via my casco, where I will pay my part of the franchise, 500 euros. So basically my damage is 500 euros plus the bonus that I will lose for the next year insurance. So in the end, I believe this will cost me about 700 euros. And what can I say, guys? It is what it is. It's very unpleasant. It made me also think about owning this type of car, because my GT4 will arrive soon. And it's difficult, because the M3 is my daily driver. Of course, from time to time, you cannot avoid parking it publicly. And if something like this happens, it's difficult to accept, especially in Germany, because, you know, I moved from Romania to Germany believing that Germany is a lot safer, and Germany is a lot safer, but of course everywhere you have this type of people who do this kind of shit. So I will keep you posted next week regarding my attempt to remove the scratches. Of course, it will not be possible, but let's see if such a product can help. Maybe it can help a little bit, and if your car is scratched, maybe you can do something. And let's see after that when my car will be repainted and how the paint job will be done, because honestly I hate it to repaint a new car without an accident because of stuff like this. You never have 100% guarantee that the car will be repainted perfectly. When they repainted the new spoiler that I got, of course let's say, so the paint quality was flawless. I cannot see a difference. I hope they managed to do it like this also for the whole left side. See you guys.